And the reason that is in the shop today, as you know, is because welcome guys. And today we have the Lexus right there, the LX Lexus, guys. Let me show you what is going on with this vehicle. So this is a beautiful, well-built 2004 Lexus LX. You don't see these machines no more just anywhere, guys. These were built very robust, very solid vehicles, guys. And the reason that is in the shop today, as you know, is because the leather is decaying. This is a beautiful interior in a beautiful car, but it has seen better years, so it's time for an upgrade. And what best thing to bring it to LeatherTech so we can do the beautifying of this interior. It's falling apart, guys, but it's decent considering the year. Look at the panels, everything is intact. I love these vehicles. These Lexus, they were built to last, guys. Not like today cars that are so disposable, but for sure the leather needs better care. You can take good assessment in how bad it is. For sure it needs some help. And this is what we do. Leather seats, guys. So it's gonna have the replacement in the same color. This is what we're gonna be doing, guys, right here. And again, we have this available for over 60 different colors. It doesn't matter what kind of car you have, guys. We can build it for you. If it's not in our catalog, it will cost a little bit more, guys. But yeah, we can help you. All these are the other pieces that are gonna be there. And I know it looks like crap, but wait, guys, until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is going to look. And again, guys, you want to save hundreds of dollars in your next order, go to leathertech.com, fill up the form so you can become part of a club of people that is saving hundreds of dollars when they place their next order. Don't miss out. Guys, if you have questions, please put it in the comment, because I have to tell you something about these particular kits. People are a little bit confused when they bought these things because they think they're seat covers that you put on top of the actually upholstery. On top of that ugly thing that you just saw in that particular vehicle. No, guys, this is not such a product. This one is built with the airbag reinforcements the way that it should go, and all these things are attached straight into the frame. This is the same way that the dealer built these vehicles. This is not your cheap put on top seat cover. This is real upholstery work in real leather, guys. And this is the deluxe version of this. It's beautiful. And if you want to upgrade to 100% leather, it's optional. It costs more money and it's not necessary. Ask me the questions about what's the difference. I can tell you. Put it in the comment, guys. And I hope these videos are serving you well. If you want me to shoot on any other type of content, please let me know. I want to help you guys when it comes to the installation, the purchase process. If you don't know what to choose, if you have a question about the design, go to LeatherTech and book a consultation. I can guide you to the buying process, so you know you're getting the best deal, not only in saving you money, but when it comes to the technical part, the design, and the installation, guys. If you decide to do this yourself, we have a network of installers in the 48 continental states, so we can refer you to the local professional. But if you are that kind of person that like to tackle things on your own, and you know you have the tools and you are handy, you are more than welcome. We can support you. We can tell you what to do, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more techniques and how we do your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Right, and this is brought to you guys by the Black Rat Productions, which is our pet, so you can see more beautiful installations and videos, guys. Look forward for those before and after pictures from this crappy looking kit so you can see, guys, how we're gonna beautify this fabulous Lexus 2004. And see, it's falling apart, guys, but it's gonna be fantastic. I cannot wait for you to see the transformation. And if this is your vehicle, guys, you want leather, you want to update, you want to get rid of this falling apart interiors and get a refreshment. And guys, our kits come with a 3 years guarantee, so you can have the security that is gonna last. This one is almost what? By now it's 20 years, guys. It took 20 years to get to this condition. Our kits will not be any different. They will last for a long time if you take good care of your leather, guys. If you have questions, again, guys, put it in the comments. I want to help you as much as I can so you can get your beautiful interior. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.